In this tutorial, I'll show you how to motion track objects in After Effects. Let's get to it. Here we are in After Effects. I've got this video as the example where I want to motion track the ball. In order to do that, we need the tracker panel. So let's go up to Window, make sure tracker is checked. Then after seeing the tracker panel appear, you can select the video you want to motion track. And inside of the tracker panel, click Stabilize Motion button. And then the video of yours will open in a separate window and you should see the tracker point appear in the center. But before we do anything, let's move the time indicator to the start of the video to the very first frame. And then zoom in and place the tracker point over the area you want to track. In my example, it will be the ball. I'm just going to move it over to the ball and expand the inner portion of the tracker until the ball fits inside of the tracker nicely. And then there's extra layer outside, which you can expand to give the tracker extra data to work with. And after you've adjusted the position of the tracker, make sure inside of the tracker panel you have these settings, and then click Analyze Forward. This will take some time depending on the video of yours, so just patiently wait until this is done. And after the tracking process is done, click Apply button. Then select X and Y, click OK. And now if you do the preview, you will notice that the video is shifting a lot while the ball stays in one place. And that introduces this black space around the edges of the video, which is natural when dealing with tracking and stabilizing. We can fix this by increasing the scale. So if we select the video and press S on a keyboard, then set scale to something like 150. And ideally, you would want the object that you're tracking to be in the center of the video. So I'm going to enable Tidal Action Safe. Then I'm going to move the video until the ball is in the middle. So I'm going to go to the very first frame and then reposition the video. Now, if you play this, you'll see that we've minimized the amount of blank space, but in some areas they are still visible. And that means we need to further increase the scale. So let's set it to 175. And then let's do the preview from the beginning and let's go carefully and see if we still get any black space on screen. And as you can see, we didn't get any. So we can go ahead and do the preview. So that is how you motion track in After Effects. Thank you for watching.